Plant fungus infects human in first reported case of its kind. Ooh. How did you get sick? Was the plants. Silver leaf disease is a curse for a variety of botanicals from pears to roses. I like pears. Do you like pears?
Yeah, I'm a fan.
You eat some pears here and there?
Here and there. Yeah.
Not your go-to, hey?
Not my go-to.
See, I prefer pears to apples. I'll tell you that.
Really?
Yep.
Why?
I don't know. I find them to be delicious.
Okay.
You like apples better.
I like watermelon.
I've been eating a lot of oranges lately. No, I like watermelon as well. Watermelon's a huge go-to. Yeah. My 1-year-old will demolish watermelon. Demolish. You just put it on a tray. You don't hear him for a while.
Just chomping away.
And then you look over at him and he looks at you.
More.
Like watermelon will shut him up.
It's great.
Aside from the risk of losing the occasional rose bush, the fungal disease has never been considered a problem for humans until now. And what researchers suggest is the first reported case of its kind. A 61-year-old Indian mycologist appears to have contracted a rather serious case of silverleaf diseases in his own throat, providing a rare example of a pathogen seemingly making an enormous leap across entire kingdoms in the tree of life. Kingdoms in the tree of life. I'm David Attenborough now. Many kingdoms in the tree. A recently published case study describes a male patient in India's eastern region presenting to a medical center with a cough and a hoarse voice, fatigue, and difficulty swallowing. A CT X-ray scan of his neck revealed a pus-filled abscess next to his trachea. I got it from the tree.
Ugh.
I got it from the tree. They're like, oh, this guy keeps saying, yes, the tree. He seems a little... Maybe we should believe him. Maybe it's the first time ever that things have jumped through kingdoms.
Oh, man.
I got it from the tree. Go try that in the hospital, Will.
Sir, can you get out?
No, you've got the thing in the trachea. You're actually in trouble, but they don't know what it is, and you happen to be convinced that it's from a tree.
Yeah, it would be a hard explanation.
Lab tests failed to find any bacteria of concern, but a special staining technique for fungi revealed the presence of long root-like filaments called hyphae. Fungal diseases aren't exactly uncommon in humans, though of the millions of known species, only a few hundred are capable of causing us much harm. Ringworm, athlete's foot, and thrush commonly make themselves at home in damp areas of our skin, much to our irritation, sometimes especially in people with compromised immune systems. Fungi that commonly feed on rotting vegetation, such as species of Aspergillus, can infect deeper parts of our body. But not like this. The patient couldn't even recall having worked with this particular species. His fieldwork had brought him into contact with decaying material and other plant fungi. That
was loud. What? Mo heard you back there.
Yeehaw.
Dude, you gotta watch Last of Us.
I got it from the plants.
This is just gives me a very haunting reminder of that.
Unsettling.
Yeah, that scene from the second episode with the mycologist.
I am unsettled.
You gotta watch it, man.
This is
scary.
He is no longer a fun guy. You see it? Well, you get it? You see that?
Can you get... You're like sleeping on the chair.
Oh, that was a good one, too. I just want you to go to the hospital, Will, and tell them you got it from the tree.
Yeah.
I got it from the tree. They're like, you got what? You seem fine. You're going to get arrested for that. This guy didn't get arrested because he wasn't lying. Fortunately, in this case, regular drainage of the ulcer within 2 months on a common antifungal agent did the trick. After 2 years of checkups, the patient was still fine with no signs of repeat infection. Shout out. Shout out.
They should monitor this guy. See if he's going to turn.
Oh, you're Mr. Last of Us over here. Zombie guy.